There's a bunch of $1,000, $2,000 sales in this type of dresser, the Kent Coffee Monet. Some costume and some stuffs, but whoo, look at this. What's up guys, Stixx Picks here. We're here at Red Storage. As you can tell, we paid $2,500 for that. Holy smokes. We got a little bit bid up on it. It was a little crazy. It was an in-person auction, so there's a lot of people there. It's a pretty nice looking unit. A lot of people are interested in it. There's a lot of nice furniture, as you can tell. There's a lot of boxes behind there. We went through like one or two. Not really through too much, so we'll see what we can find. All right, everybody, look at this. Some boxes. We got kitchen, glass teacups, glass plates and teacups. So those boxes obviously won't be like too crazy. I won't really show too many.
Louis Vuitton purchase.
Louis Vuitton.
Close.
Chat, what are you guys' opinions on this?
Chat, what do you think? That's another 20-30 bucks Michael overlooked right there?
Chat, oh my goodness, guys. All right, this box says kitchen, you guys, but you never know the kitchen, all right? It could be some silver sets or something, or it could just be straight kitchen stuff. Let's see. What is this?
Neat. Decoration.
It's like a little grinder thing for like spices, maybe? Oh, what is it? It's like a grinder. You put it in there, it's grinding stuff. Come on.
$1,000 jackpot. That's all we need. Ooh, almost a $4,000. I thought that might have been changed. Ooh, is that sterling?
Is it? Silver plated.
Ah. Man, you gotta show them what's inside.
Ooh, look at this. A little candle holder, I think.
This is actually really neat so far. This is probably the coolest thing that we've actually found. I don't know what it is.
Oh my god, of course.
No, it is. Look, it's like got like a, it looks like an ivory hand-carved head. And then, oh, it's a Mexico tourist piece, but still nice. That's probably the coolest thing I've seen so far. Please.
I think it's Mara, it says.
I have a feeling it's going to be one of these. That's not like super special, but it's nice. That's really unique.
Look at these. Look at these. Look at this plate. That's a very decorative plate. They got holes in it too. Look at that. Pretty cool looking glassware as well. This is made like dog toys. What's the name? Oh, another kitchen box. We've got some Tupperware on the top. It looks like, of course. A nice little glass cup from, it says French Alpine. Yep, another one. We got like a whole set. There's 3 of those same cups now. Four of them. 4 French Alpine strawberry cups. More glass cup. Look at that. It's a little clear glass cup. All right, everybody. We just opened up this dresser. Well, the pirate did, and look what we found in here. We haven't actually opened it yet. Like, we just pulled them out. Like, what's we see in here? $2 bill. I see a little coin box. I'm like, what the frick?
Look at where our potential lies in this. We gotta take very good care of this dresser.
If we keep very good care, look at there's a bunch of $1,000, $2,000 sales in this type of dresser, the Kent Coffee Monet. Guys, so I showed you guys the box. Look what we found in here, guys. Nothing too crazy in the jewelry box, just some costume and some stuffs. But whoo, look at this ring.
Nothing too crazy, just the 1 carat diamond
in the other
ring.
box, we got 1 carat diamond ring.
See that?
It looks like
that's real, Michael. Look at the thickness of the setting. See, that's the one way to tell. The thicker the setting means they really cared about it.
And this is a good item too, right here. This right here, you can see. What is this called right here?
Cameo.
A nice little cameo right here. You said several hundred right there. That's like almost maybe 1,500 just in that box. This thing looks pretty cool. This Emerson. It's like an Emerson little radio type thing. I should see what's up. Look at this. Ooh, dang. Oh, I broke it. That's pretty cool though. What is this made out of?
Dang it, I was hoping that was gonna scare you because it looked very spiderish. But it didn't, it wasn't.
Alright guys, look at this lamp right here. It looks like a pretty cool lamp. It's a freaking Tiffany lamp. Look how freaking heavy this is. Oh my god. A lot of this type of stuff. Just this box like this. I haven't really been showing you guys too much of these because I don't know, there's a bunch of kitchen items. We don't even show you guys unless you're interested. Like a bunch of just random kitchen items that we're gonna be selling at the flea market for very cheap. Very, very cheap. It's a nice brand new, not brand new, but nicely sealed furniture. Got a little table set to go with those chairs. We have a nice dresser like I showed you. So we'll make our money back in furniture, just like this table as well.
Alright. Is that good?
No.
Oh, you got me excited. You could probably eBay this, Michael. This is a Lane chest.
Really?
Yeah, Lane chests are very valuable. I'm helping you. Where's all that stuff? Look at the price list on them.
Retail price $600, $115, $380, $24,000 for this Apple Tree Boy. Wow. That's what's in here. A little freaking Super Bowl by the Bay book. I bet it's sold $5 or $10 on eBay. Ooh, it's pretty old looking.
I like that.
Is there a year on this? I don't see a year. Ooh, looks like some very old colored pictures. What the heck is this?
What the heck is that?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That freaking coins?
Come on, baby.
Yeah, that was some coins, y'all. Let's pull this little booklet. First state quarters of the United States collector's map.
Okay.
Alright, looks like they got some of the collector's thing there. Yeah, looks like some quarter sets, commemorative that all 5 are in this bag. This says all here as well, 1999 through 2008. Same thing. Just different like states, of course.
Alright.
How valuable do you think this is?
At least the load of laundry. I don't know.
Sacagawea. Special coin collector edition. There's a coin book. Okay, I thought it was coins in here. The book about the coins. These aren't quarters, are they? These are like dollar coins.
That's kind of cool.
Obama coin?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That is President Clinton. Weird. There could be more in here somewhere.
Oh, almost the whole set
full
right
book.
there.
And presidential dollars.
Presidential.
Oh, that's a couple bucks right there. We'll set all these aside for our auction and so forth.
Yep.
And it makes me really want to double check in the rest of our coins just to make sure.
All right, everybody, that's a wrap. We just put everything in there. At the end, it got a little bit just repetitive towards the kitchen stuff. We have some nice furniture, as I pointed out. We'll definitely make our money back. Luckily, we did get that 1-carat diamond ring. That was kind of a saver. We'll make some money back. I'm not exactly sure how much, but make a little bit back. Nothing crazy though, because as I said,
sure we're not leaving a coin book in here.
we overspent just a tad bit.